it's me, TT. Welcome back to Learn and Play channel. Today we're going to be making a galactic bath bomb. So first we're going to be using a lot of stuff. So first we're going to be using baking soda, cornstarch. Wait, this is always getting hard for me to say. But this is citric acid. I put it down. And this is Epsom salt. And coconut oil, water, empty glass bowl, our scooper, and our mixer, and our bowls. Here are plastic bowls, and our magical powder. And we're going to have our 3 glitters and our 2 strawberry and cotton candy and our 3 containers. We're going to put our baking soda on all of the baking soda. Right, guys? Okay, let's put it in. I'm really nervous here. So let's get it. And time for our cornstarch. And our citric acid. And our Epsom salt. And then we're going to be using our coconut oil in this. Open it up. And then we're going to scoop it. And then let's get stuck. Now we're going to put it down. Stuck. So we're going to add more because that was very low. So time to close the coconut oil. I took away my chair now so I can stand and feel good and active. We add the water, a little bit of water. Add another one, a little bit more. Now it's time to agitate. It's a bit messy, but we're going to keep on agitating until it turns into a paste. You can see it's like rising up. The side, and we're going to separate our bowls. And we just mix this until we put it down. And then it's time to scoop this and then put it in here. And all these 3 bowls. We put all the stuff in the bowl, in these 3 bowls. Now we're going to use our glitters and our strawberry and cotton candy and our 3 molds, and we're going to use our powder colors here. Time to mix up! Now we're going to use this. Now for the next one. 1, 2. Just to give it some sense. Good sense. We're gonna mix our glitter and powder in each bowl. So if you so we added a little bit of cornstarch. If you have a lot of water, you can add a little bit of cornstarch. So you can see here we add a little bit of cornstarch. And then we're keep on to mixing until it turns into paste here. But okay, we mixed all of them and I think they're done. Time to add our powder. Add them. We're done adding our pink. Then time to add our blue. Let's add all of it. Done with our blue. Let's move on to purple. We added all our colors. It's time to mix. Whoa. Colorful, friends. It looks colorful, friends. Wow. Just keep on agitating. We're gonna add our glitter. Time to agitate. Friends, come closer and look at this colorful glitter. Now we're going to put this spoon here. Time to add it in our mold. Our mixture is all done. We're going to put them in our molds. Now we're going to put our purple mold. We're going to put our purple one in our purple mold. Look guys, we have a little toy in here. So it's a jellyfish. We're going to be starting our mold. Pick it up with our fingers and put it in here. Pat it down. Put a little bit more. A little bit more. Now we're going to put our toy in here and put this one down. And guess what we have in our blue one? Another toy. A starfish. Let's take out the starfish. Scoop it out. And then start putting it there. That's enough now. There's some on the side, but don't worry. It's a bit messy all over here, but don't worry about that. So we're going to put our mold now. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to put it on. You're supposed to squeeze it down, squeeze it. Squeeze. Take off the excess. Time for... Look, we have a little penguin toy. Now we're going to scoop it up. Oh, Mr. Penguin, you fell. Oh, that's sad. pat it down. This one's gonna be huge. Real huge. So let me just pat this down with my fingers. Let's scoop it up. I don't know why I'm going fast, but I'm just going fast. Friends, look at all these beautiful colors. The glitter. There's a little tiny blue. Time to put our little penguin friend. Let's lay it down. This. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry I had to squish you. I'm really sorry. I always wanted to end. So, friends, so we're gonna keep on scooping and scooping. Putting down my fingers a little bit. And let's put a little more. And friends, don't listen to the background. I think that's enough. Let me just pat it down a little bit more. I think we're done right here. Oh. We're gonna do this. Oh, yes! We closed it. We're gonna wait. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe down below and like, comment. We have let our molds dry for 10 minutes. We have our 3 bowls full of water, and we're going to see the result. We're going to put these 3 molds in here and see what we get. Wow! Colorful and glittery. Wow, it turned out nice. I like it. Let's take it out of the mold. Wow. Look at it. Purple and glittery. We're going to put this purple one down. Now let's see what we get from the pink. Oh, I love the pink. Glitter, right? Let's take it out carefully, because you don't want it to break. Whoa. Colorful. And it's big. Let's move on to the blue. Here. Oh no! It didn't come out nice. I'd expect it to be. But it's not that sad. You have these 2 right here. Guys, make sure you can leave your ball a day or 2, but I kept my ball like 10 minutes. So let's see what we get from our results. Now I want to choose a purple. So we're going to drop it in. Ready? Let's go! Wow, it's busy. Let me just turn it around a little bit. It's slowly fizzing out. Wow, you can see the purple actually. It's not exploding like I expect it to be. Whew. Now let's see what the pink gives us. Because the purple one's going to take a little longer. See the results. Oh, wow, the
penguin's going a bit faster. Yeah, guys, I think you should leave your ball to dry longer. It's a penguin! It's really dirty. And the penguin's glittery too. Look at its eyes. Looking at you. Look at it. Now let's put this aside. Now let's see what's in the purple one. Oh, I can actually see something popping out. It's just... I think it fell in. Let me just wash it. Oh, wow. Look at this. Let me see. Jellyfish! It's really colorful. Like, subscribe, and comment. But make sure you leave your ball and to dry longer. See you in the next video. Bye!